Welcome back. We can add other elements to import into our video. For example, we can click the Import Media button and we can bring images into our Microsoft Clipchamp. We can decide where we want the element to appear. For example, if we want to bring the cursor to a certain point, what we want to do then is we want to add it to this specific timeline. What Microsoft Clipchamp is going to do is it's going to add the image to the point on the timeline where we have the cursor. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to click Add to Timeline. You're going to see here that we have our image that's now part of our video. Now what we can do at this point is you'll notice here that this file in Microsoft Clipchamp says Untitled Video. Well, we want to change that to a specific file. Now we can also add in music to the timeline. For example, if you look on your left side menu, you're going to see that there is royalty-free music that you can add here. And what you're going to do, of course, is you will then choose the audio that you want. You can preview it here in this area. You can play it. And if you like it, you can then add it to your video. And you're just going to click the green button. You're going to add the audio to your video. If you want to see the entire timeline, you can actually zoom out and you'll be able to see the entire timeline. This will allow you then to go to this point in the video, to click the S button on your audio file, and then to delete the leftover portion of the audio file. You can then click on the audio file, and you can use a fade out effect. You can also use a fade in effect. And so basically now your audio will then fade in and fade out when you produce the final video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.